report. Run the report.
And if you don't fill it out, you're fucked. You know what I mean? Like,
right?
You have to send it in, and it's just rough. And that's how I got mine shut back off, because it fucked up. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. That was classic. That was real good. Don't worry, I won't tell anybody.
I'm not fixing the scale. You can't make me. Oh, yeah. There you go.
That's a roller dance.
How about this thing? Yeah.
Oh, man. He moved.
That's right. He'll be back there following himself again soon.